How to log into My Freedom Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Freedom Mortgage Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, freedommortgage.com, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in your email address. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the email or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide these details, click on login and just with that you'll be logged into your account. Once logged in, you can head towards the mortgage section and get access to it. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on this option and go through the registration process. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into My Freedom Mortgage account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.